First of all, sir, uh, lots of time we have spent lot of time in home, not to go anywhere.
Very good.
So day and night, all the time in as a jail, and in the home as a jail. So lifestyle, because of that, daily routine are is the normal when the people go outside and spend time anywhere, because uh, this time only spend time in home. So
You all try to
so
speak not in home, try to speak at home. At
okay,
home. Okay? Continue.
okay, sir. Okay. At home. So people is very irritating, and 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 and
Okay.
disturbing the
Think about
life.
it. Think about it. Again, I will ask you. Your two
Okay,
minutes.
sir.
Okay. You
Okay, sir.
have 2 minutes. Ubair, tell me how your lifestyle has been changed after this pandemic.
Uh, life is completely changed after the pandemic. Instead of like completely changed, there are many changes in our daily routine life as well as our commercial and other life. Uh, First, human health is more important. Human health is more important than our wealth or other things. The first lesson for the first lesson to learn this world is human health is more important. The second is after pandemic, people are more alert and serious about our health. Uh, Second is in this pandemic period, uh, the way of life is completely changed. Uh, uh, there are this these changes of the changes of this pandemic. Uh,
Okay,
uh,
your 2 minutes over. Pragya, Pragya, I will give you everyone 2 minutes. Don't worry. So
Okay, sir.
think about it again. Already you have spoken, but you think about okay, what are the other changes? Look, the social changes. You are not going to go for a party. You are not going for a restaurant. You are not going for the theater. You are not going for the park. These are the changes that happens in 1 year. Understand? So think about it. Why not thinking? I have given you 2 minutes, and then you have to talk. Okay, so again I will ask you and I will give you I have given I will give a lot of questions to you. Listen carefully. Okay, 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, because everybody will have chance to speak, and I will give a lot of social issues to speak. Okay. Pragya, you tell me.
Hello, sir.
Very good
Hello.
morning, good afternoon, Pragya.
Good morning. Sorry for joining late. Can you repeat alternative date?
It's okay. Now
Just
I would like
I
to
just
ask
joined.
Pragya, I would like to ask you, what are the changes that you found after pandemic, the social changes, your personal changes in 1 year? What are the things that you come on speak to something?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So hello everyone. So we are going to talk about the whatever the changes we are facing after this pandemic. Okay. So now the almost 1 year we are in the home. So as per my personal life concern, the first major change is the work-life balance. Okay. Means what happens? So basically, I don't need to get up early to get ready for the office, and also my office in the from almost I'm doing the work from the, so that is the major change in my life. Then secondly, yeah, means I'm living as a PG, my sisters in the Mumbai. Okay, my parents in my native place. But yeah, but now as during the pandemic, I meet only them once in a year. Okay, but before that, I'm going to use the every month and meet them and just just to enjoy the weekends anytime in the month of the rain. That is the second thing. Then, yeah, little bit affect on my body and my health because we are continuously sitting on the home, and that is my health issue. Means I'm not that much concerned about my health. Don't get up early. Don't exercise. Okay, so that will affected my heart. Sometimes it's like I'm not active sometimes. Means during the office, just get up early, get ready, go to the catch up train, and go to the office. Means in that time, your body is active, body is working. So that is the one second major change
Okay,
after
your
the
time
time.
is over. Now 2 minutes for Kiran, and after this, I will provide only 1 minute, and I will play a game with you that is called Just a Minute. What is just a minute? I will tell you right now. So just you have to be ready because if you speak 1 minute, so everybody will get a chance, maximum chance. Kiran, tell me about that.
So what?
Tell me.
Sorry. Yes, sir.
The question is, what are the social changes you found after this pandemic, Corona? What are the changes in your personal life, professional life, and social life after this Corona?
Okay. After Corona, actually, basically, the work from home is normally now we are facing. Everybody is facing the issue of work from home. It is very difficult the working from home because we have a habit of working from office. So many things we get interrupted with IT things like sometimes our laptop or internet services get we face the issue with that. Uh, Also, hitting home is like we face the issue with many health problems, like traveling from office and working at home. It's very difficult for that also. Even the socializing is very low because we are not meeting our friends and the how the time was going working and enjoying, that is not there now. Okay. uh, uh, that's it, sir.
You-
I can't hear you, sir.
Sir, your audio.
Well, do you know what is just a minute? I would like to share my computer screen and then I will show you what possible.
So
Hello.
you are not audible.
Am I audible for all? Tell me. Ubaid,
Yes, yes.
Salman.
Yes, sir. Now it's better. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes
So
it's
I'm just going to share my computer screen. Okay. And I will tell you what is just a minute. And I will play this game with you right now because everybody will have to speak. Just a minute. So this is just a minute. That is called JAM. Education, environment, global warming, social media, okay, child labor, pollution, literacy in India. I will give you this kinds of the topic. Speak, and I will tell you what is about just a minute.
sir. Your screen is not visible for me. What about others?
Everybody can see.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Look,
sir. Maybe my mobile is.
look, what is written here? I would like to ask Kiran
What?
if you can see what is jam.
Just a minute.
Speak loudly.
What is jam? Just a minute jam. It is a basically 1 minute or less extempore speech
Extempored.
that is carried out extempore speech that is carried out without any preparation of or impromptu performances. Mental preparation,
Okay.
no know what to speak delivering speech, ponder over the top some time and prepare the flow.
So you understood. what is just that, and it is
A lot
also,
of destruction.
tell me,
Lot of destruction coming on this.
this was a show, okay, that was happens. You can see this is just a minute, one of the several attempts of the gate. So this is, if you can see the Wikipedia, so there was many things. If you can see, it's a BBC radio comedy panel game, chaired with few exceptions like Nicholas Person. So if you see, this is means you have to speak only 1 minute. A lot of videos are there for just a minute. The object of this game too, you can see. Understand something what I'm saying? And in right now, I have given only the information, but you have to really research for that. And if I show you YouTube, just a minute show. So after this, I will ask you to speak in the not in the same way, but you try to speak. Just a minute. Okay. So a lot of videos are there. You can see this is just a minute. Episode 1. So now there is a warm up and I'm making you prepare. I'm preparing you to speak. That has
No voice, sir.
to exceed 1 minute timing. There is a buzzer that
Uh, Video is not audible, sir.
can
Yes, sir, we can't hear you.
look. Anybody can listen to me, watch me,
Yes.
tell me. Ubaid, you can see me now,
Yeah.
and you can listen to me now. You tell me who Talha Khan. Can you listen to me? You Talha Khan, you
Your mic is mute.
Talha Khan. Unmute. Now you tell me, Kiran.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, yes.
You can listen to me, Kiran. Now
Yes, yes.
and now Pragya, you can listen to me. So
Yes, sir.
this is called, if you can see on my screen, this is called unwanted presence. It is a topic. Okay. If I play this,
Sir, video is not audible, sir. Yeah.
I think
now you will make a research after some time, but I will ask you again. Okay. So I have to give you one topic to you right now. So tell me, the topic is today the social media. Right. So I would like to ask Mr. Ubaid, speak about social media, and you have got only 1 minute.
nowadays social media is a huge platform, very big platform for everyone. If it used in a right direction, it is very useful. It is very useful for society as well as uh, our society. It is very useful for society. But nowadays, social media is a very toxic place where everyone put toxic material, everything had speech. So if we use social media as a positive way, it is very useful for society. Otherwise, social media is a is a waste of time. Is a platform where you waste your own time without any reason.
Okay, you have spoken less than. Okay, Mr. Talha Khan, social media. One more thing that you have to think, that you don't have to repeat a word twice or thrice.
Okay.
Social media we can speak many times, 2 or 3 times, but other words you try to replace. Try to think about where other has not thought about it. Okay. First, you start with the topic sentence. What is social media? Then, what are the for examples? Then, what are the benefit of this? What are the advantages or disadvantages? A lot of things that can be spoken. You just organize, think, and speak. Talha Khan,
Yes,
your
sir.
time will start now.
Okay.
Talha.
Social media. Yeah, social media is as a platform to uh, uh, to collect the news from whole the world. Where is where actually going? What actually going is on? I do not reach anywhere, but I watch the videos and I read the news, so uh, I can find out the what's happening is going on. So first thing, and it's a very advantages is people know people people actually. Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
Okay, time stop now. Okay, Mr. Kiran, your time starts now.
Uh, okay, social media it's become a quite popular in this time because of, we can connect it to far distances. Uh, the social media uh, connections are like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We get connected with our friends and family, and even people are staying in abroad because it is easy to use as on a fingertip. But it has some advantages and disadvantages also. Some misuse our data with that, and can be done fraud can be done on that. Uh, uh,
Okay, your time is start.
then
Pragya, your time.
Yes, sir. So social media. So basically, the social media have the some advantages and disadvantages. So I'm going to talk about the one by one. First, that is the advantages. So before we start, my advantages is totally depend upon the everyone use and how many times spent on the social media is depend on what depend on that. That is the benefits and drawbacks for the social media. So first advantages as Kiran told, the firstly we are connecting with the people we are so far. So during this COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, we are not going to meet every and each people, but through the social media, we got an update for the each and everyone. Okay, they are doing well or not, or something what is happening there and all. Also on the like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, we got the every update whatever's happening in the nation. We got the every update just sitting in the home and the open the Twitter. That is the main benefits of the social media. Then secondly, the we talk about the disadvantages means
Stop.
nowadays the children.
Time's gone. I think you understood right now. You are enjoying a lot because you will mostly enjoy. I would like to give you one task to everybody. I'll give you 5 minutes. Just get your remove your like get your pen and papers ready with that, and I'll give you one task to you. That try to find out what is just a minute, and you have to speak 1 minute for just the topic is just. So in just a minute, the topic, and in a minute that you have to speak what is just a minute, how this program was performed the very first day, and who was the anchor, how it was like improving, and it was quite popular around the world, and what is done, what is the rules and regulations, what are the things that they understand. Yeah, use of the mind. मेकिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट, कभी कभी आपको प्रोजेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है ना, तुरंत अप्लाई करना पड़ता माइंड कि जस्ट रिसर्च फ्रॉम इंटरनेट, मेक एंड डिलीवर इट। इसके लिए मैंने आपको बहुत कम वक्त दिया है, बट दिस इज लेट राइट। रेडी? लुक आई हैव टू स्पीक। अभी देखो वैसे भी ग्रुप डिस्कशन आई टेक मोर देन 1 आवर, 1.5 घंटे पिछली बार ले गया था मैं, 1 घंटे 40 मिनट, बट दिस टाइम ऑल्सो आई विल टेक मैक्सिमम टाइमिंग। सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू व्हाट इज जस्ट अ मिनट। योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। रिसर्च कीजिए जस्ट अ मिनट के बारे में, जिससे मैंने अभी हल्का आपको हिंट दिया है। कम ऑन।
Just a minute.
Okay, you all, please switch on your video and your time is up now. While having this, talking with each other, you can feel that means you are in a group debate and discussion. Why I have come conducted such kind of session, because you can feel that how the live TV debates are there, and each or every person will explain and react. Okay, after sometimes I will also give a time to debate. Understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
It is kind of a live TV debate, how you have seen. Okay, NDTV, India TV, a lot of television times now, headlines today. You have seen a lot of people, they try to speak, but right now, because of this English communication, the skills training that I have given, so each and everybody will show their expression, reaction, and if you have to ask some question, you have to go with like this. You have seen that TV debates how they do this. You understood what I'm trying to say, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now your
Yes,
time
sir.
started, and you have to start this just a minute. And I would like to ask everybody, what is this just a minute? Okay, the timing is 1 minute minimum and maximum 1.5 minutes. Do you understand?
Yes,
60
sir.
minutes to 100 minutes. Okay, wait. I'm going to your timing. First, Mr. Ubaid. Start, please.
Just a minute.
Talak, wait. Talaka,
Can
I can't see your video.
Yes, sir.
Talaka, yes.
minute and can the part of
Reaction
every
is important.
practical process this day. The candidate will be given a topic to speak on or speak on 1 minute. The topic will be a random as blue is better than green. The test will be for her communicate to check her communication skill, behavior, presentation skill, confidence level, spontaneously her and check her smartness. The
Come on. Time is there.
the round is perceived as tough. The round is perceived as tough by a majority of students.
It's okay. Anything else would like to speak? Okay. Talha Khan.
Yes, sir.
Talha Khan, your time starts now.
Okay. About just a minute, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Uh, just a minute as a topic, you can speak only 1 minute and 1.5 minute, and suddenly you take any topic and you have not prepared before the time, so you can speak at a time what in your mind. So first you thinking is more important in this just a minute, because only 1 minute and 1.5 minute to say, but story or and about the topic, already you have known about the topic, because and and then you can speak and you can debate the other person. That's it.
That's good. You have taken your 1 minute. Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Kiran. Kiran, speak.
Uh, just a minute. Just a minute is also called as Jam. This is airing on a BBC channel. In this, you have to speak on any topic for a minute. You cannot hold it for more than 3 seconds on this. On this, after doing this, in attending this, just a minute, your confidence level uh, your confidence gets built on by this.
Khan?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, done, completed.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Now I would like to ask uh, Pratna. Pratna, speak about this.
Yes, sir. So for the just a minute topic, I would like to start that how to start the just in case. So just we all know we have only 1 minute in the just a minute speech. So don't try to introduce yourself and tell about yourself. Just smile on your face and start your speech. Then second, what is the just a minute? So how it's helped to the learners and what is the major the concern and the major use of the just a minute speech. So basically, just a minute is a promote speech where the speaker need to express their speech, their intention, their whatever they want to speak in their given time. They need to express within the given timing. Okay, then this is the basic activity that when the learner starts learning the time management, fluency, then accuracy, how to speak, how to time management. Then while doing the giving the speech in the just a minute, I would like to tell someone like don't use the long sentences. Just use the simple vocabulary. Avoid the duplicacy of the word. Just be the simple and the corrective and just like. Use a simple and sweet and the useful and the informative sentences in the just a minute speech because we need to take care of our time management also. That's
Okay,
all.
that's great. Now, from here, I would like to give you 1 minute and maximum 1.5 to everybody. One person will be speaking, other will be keeping your sound on mute. Okay, now I will give you the topic. That is called, the topic is what is beauty and who is the most beautiful person for you in your life. According to you, what is beauty? Okay, so before that, I would like to give you one opinion. Okay, one hint, because on this hint you will really understand how to speak on this topic. Okay, I would like Mayurakshi, can you listen to me? Mayurakshi, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Mayurakshi, listen this and read this one. Read
Okay,
this
sir.
one.
In my opinion, beauty is a blend of good qualities and splendid appearance which leaves an unforgettable impression on other people. A person who is looking physically attractive has outer beauty, but a person who feels beautiful is attractive and wonderful from his soul. Your skin, body, hair, smile contributes to outer beauty while your soul, thoughts, character, and moreover, your relationship with others define your inner beauty. I think my mother is the most beautiful person in my life because she is always justified her different roles as a wife, mother, and woman. She has always balanced her prior- priorities very well. I believe that understanding the true definition of life and living it to the fullest with strong self esteem and creating your own identity is the in the world makes you feel beautiful.
Okay, great. Now, switch on your video, Mayurakshi. Now, I would like to ask Mr. Ubaid, what is for you? Ubaid, 1 minute. Your time starts now. And who is the most beautiful person for you? Ubaid. And everybody will have to speak. Okay?
Yes.
Ubaid. Ubaid, your sound is unmute. Ubaid, yours. Yes. Ubaid, you are unmute. Yes.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yes, we can listen. Listen.
Okay.
Start. What is the meaning of beauty for you, and who is the most beautiful person for you? Come on, Mr. Kiran. Kiran, your time starts now.
Hello.
What is the
For
meaning of
me,
beauty?
beauty is not only outside beauty. For me, beauty is should be from inner. Uh, for me, my wife is a very beautiful person. Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
Continue, continue,
hello. Okay.
continue.
For me, yeah. Uh, so, so I can't speak. Sorry.
So this is the way that I have given you the platform, Pradnya, to speak about what is the meaning of beauty, and even I have given you the answer.
Yes, sir, sure. So, what is the beauty? In my definition and in my beauty, I totally agree with the Meenakshi what she told. Okay, so beauty is not the outer beauty. It is not about our skin, hair, smiles, and our body structure, figures, and all that thing. It is something like the soul. We need to find a kind soul. That is something beauty, and we attracted the people with our soul. Uh, uh, in our generation the beautiful is meaning like the outside the beauty, but that is not something that is a completely long term outside just means the beauty in the inner is some outside the skin face and all. It's somewhere in the old age it's gone, but the inner beauty, that is our soul beauty and our just kindness, that will be the give us with every time, everywhere, how many old we are, that's not going to leave us. So that is the beauty definition for me. And if I talk about the who is the beautiful person in my life, I'm not going to tell anyone like that. But I'm just in my definition, the who is the beautiful person, who is express their way, who is with
Okay, your time
you, with
stop.
their soul.
You are exceeding your timing. That is good. What you have spoken. I would like to ask Mayurakshi to speak. What is the meaning of beauty, and who is the most beautiful person for you, Mayurakshi? Mayurakshi, can you listen? Mayurakshi, can you listen to me?
Hello, yes, sir. Now I can listen to you.
Yeah, speak about what is the meaning of beauty for you.
Meaning of beauty. Beauty can be defined as a quality in someone or something that makes it attractive and interesting in our eyes. The famous English saying goes, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
Okay, so you have to speak up to 1 minute. Understand? So next time you have to remember minimum 1 minute that you have to speak, maximum 1.5 minutes. Again, I will give you now a topic. Okay, topic is what are what is online education? What are the benefits and disadvantages of this? Understand? Online education, advantages and disadvantages. Understand? I think you okay. Where the start?
Mobile learning or online learning is
Online.
a very prevalent in current scenario. Mobile learning is also known as M learning, and it is a new way to to access the variety of content through online or internet. Uh, Nowadays it is a very popular trend for this pandemic time. In recent time there is a huge demand huge demand for online course because of pandemic or this. There are many advantages of online learning. First is it is a flexible or convenient. Second is it is online learning is cheaper than uh, regular classes. And third is it is a cover of huge distance, no matter where are you. It cover or any user join the class anywhere anytime at his uh,
Okay, your time is up now. Okay, I would like to ask Mr. Kiran. Kiran, switch on your video. Kiran,
Hello.
online education,
Yeah.
what are the benefits
Online.
and advantages?
Okay. Okay. Online education was there from earlier, but due to pandemic, it has become necessary for all the college, even to college and the school students. Online student is been done through internet and from the advantages is it is good, like we are learning from our home and it is safe for the children and as well as for the student. The disadvantage is that we learning through offline and learning through online is uh, uh, disadvantages is that we the children get do not attend that much, give that much attention in studies. The mothers have to or parent has to sit with the children to give attention to their children, because on offline the teachers are there to see the children, but in online the teachers cannot see. Sometimes children doesn't understand how to operate the internet services on their mobile or tablet. So the online is from some part online is good, and and on the other side it has a disadvantages also. Done,
Okay,
sir.
that's good. I would like to ask Pradnya to speak on this topic, online education, advantages and disadvantages. First, what is online education?
Yes.
Time starts now.
Okay, sir. Yeah, online education. So basically, the online education is a current of most important thing for the everyone, every college, every class. Like if you talk about our class, that is English speaking, we are attending the online. So this is a very useful and alternative way for the offline classes. So the if I talk about the advantages, this is a virtual class. We not meet teacher on the physically. We are just connecting through the online video classes. So we save our time. We just sit on the home and learn lots of things through the online classes. This is the big first advantages. Secondly, if this online classes is not there, then maybe we are the 1 year back. Students are lost their 1 year. So this is very helpful. Online classes become the very helpful in our daily life routine now, and it will become we need to be very active and progressive from the online classes. Then the second most disadvantages is this online classes is not available everywhere. So as I already spoken about that earlier in this same forum, in the roof area, poor area, village country, not internet, Wi-Fi, not available for the everyone. The poor people not able to afford the tablet, mobile, laptops to attend the online classes. So that will become very difficult, and this is some disadvantages for the online classes. Some people are not able to attend, and whatever the requirement are there for the online classes are not and they are not able to just do and work because the so many people lost their job. Our parents are not able to afford the tablets and the laptop. Then secondly, the children's self people
Okay, your time stops
small
now.
kids are just
It's okay. Good. That's fantastic, Pragya, that you've spoken. Mayurakshi, it's your turn now.
Yes, sir.
Online education, benefits and demerits.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Hello?
Yeah, your sound comes. You speak.
Yes, sir.
You try to speak.
Yes, sir, now I can hear.
Yeah,
Sir, what
try.
is my topic?
online education. Online education, what are the advantages and disadvantages?
Okay, sir. So, online education has been conducted during pandemic because of lockdown. So, the advantages of online education are that in online education going to in online education we learn from our computer, so we can learn we only don't have to learn only reality things, we can learn about internet also, that how to join the meeting, how to conduct a meeting, how to be how to do meetings in internet. And uh, and from internet, that some children are lazy and they are exhausted while going to school and then studying. Carrying that heavy bag can lead us to shoulder pain. So in online classes we don't have to carry those heavy bags filled up with books. So we only have to wear uniform and then uh, start the study. And the disadvantages are that in online education our eyes strain out so much, so we live a sedentary life, the student live a sedentary life. So it's not beneficial for the eyes to being being on a laptop or tab for so much time. And also some people, those who don't have the money to afford those laptop computers, so they can't study, they also miss their concepts. And also in a online education, the disadvantages are that we especially be lazy, and we don't attract with our friends, that the
Of your
enjoyment in the school.
time exciting. Good, fantastic. Okay, it was a nice speech according to your age. Now, Mr. Talha Khan. Talha Khan, can
Yes,
you,
sir.
your time
Yes,
starts.
yes, sir.
Your time
Okay.
starts now. You know the already the topic. Come on.
Yes, sir. Online education. Yeah. You know, this time in the pandemic is going on, so only one option to choose to learn something, to learn anything through the online. So online is more beneficial than offline. People can save the time to reach office and to reach classes and save money and save time, save money to reach the office, the classes, and 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 online is a best option for us because we have mobiles and laptops and all the electronics item, and we can easily learn from online. So actually, one benefit is teacher is anywhere in the world. We can learn from that. Now people people learn from abroad. Teacher choose the teacher and learn from the abroad. So and disadvantage is nowadays people lots of time is spent in the electronic item, and some poor family do not buy the smartphone and laptops, and so they can not afford and they cannot learn from that things. That's it, sir.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much, Mr. Talha Khan. Now, this round will be the last round I'm just going to conduct. And in that round, I will give you a small topic like school, mobile, book, and you have to speak minimum a minute. Why? Suppose I started from Ubaid and the topic was the same online. So by the time Kiran, Mayurakshi, and Pradnya, you all have prepared already on this topic. But this time, this is called extempore speech, and it is the really the game of the just a minute. That's called jam. So here you are going to play this jam. I will give you a very easy topic, Okay, the topic will be very closer to you. And let me see your thinking criteria, how better you can speak about one particular